is amazing when you talk about it. 18
Come on, Michael.
in 20 Olympic finals for Phelps.
Come on, buddy.
I like the fact that he's laying off the legs. If you're young, yeah, you don't want to spin your wheels too much and try to catch him that first 100. We've seen that in 800 free relays before in the past.
It was Aniel who tracked down Lefty, the other 9 of the 400 free. Phelps is way out in front of it right now.
We'll know a lot here in this last bit. I don't think it's going to happen now. Aniel, now all of a sudden...
You guys shut your mouth. Don't jinx this.
Trying to do as much as he can to
We've
get
seen shit like this happen before. Come on, Michael!
so far now. He's actually catching that.
Come on, Michael!
Makes the turn for Howard.
U.S.
Come on!
His third straight gold medal in this
Come on!
relay. Phelps holding on Aniel.
Go, go, go!
15 meters left, and Phelps is going to cruise it.
Come on, buddy, come